Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to reduce the opacity of part of an image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Then open your image. Now you can see here are my image. Now I reduce the opacity of part of an image. At first, I have to select this rectangle selection tool. Now I select a part of an image. Now select this layer and press Ctrl plus J on your keyboard to duplicate this selected part. Now you can see here are my selected part. Now go your mouse cursor on this selected layer, then press Ctrl to select this cutted image. Now go to your background image and press Ctrl plus X to delete this image. Now you can see here are my part of an image. Now I decrease this opacity of an image or increase my opacity. Now I decrease this one. Now you can guys see I reduce the image of part of an image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for